Hi everyone, we're back again. Continued doing some more welding on the old Rover. I did manage to get round here during the week, and I haven't done much, but been scraping a bit more under seal off. It's all dark out there at the minute, so you can't really see. But I've done all across the top. I've done that back piece. I've got to get it all off, but it's such a pain in the neck getting it off, but be worth it to renew it all. So I should get it all stripped off, clean it up best I can, red oxide it, and then what is it? U-pole Gravitex, I think, something I've got to go on it. It's here somewhere, I think. I don't know. I don't even know where I've put it. It's in a box somewhere. That's all me paint the car. So that's my dinner trowel to go up inside the box sections once all the welding and painting and stuff's done. But yeah. Anyway. Right. Yeah. Anyway. So I'm gonna have a bit of a tidy up because the floor's absolutely minging. And once I've done that, then I'm gonna weld this last end piece in under here. Well, I use the word last piece loosely anyway, because obviously I've still got to do all the outer seal, but yeah, you know what I mean. Right, okay, I'm going to have a tidy up and then I'll be back. Also got myself a couple of new lamps. The other one's in the boot of the car. I just use one at a time just because of the battery of that, but as you can see, seem to be a bit better. So you can sort of see what's going on now. I know it gets a bit bright if I get too near it, but yeah, so we're going to be doing that bit down there today, and then continuing with whatever. But yeah, I've also got this package turned up, which is the pedal box for it. Let me just cut it open and then I'll be back. I could try and film it, but if you really want to see me. Where are we? You see? I don't know. Anyway. I said cardboard box, it's not a cardboard box, is it? I got it off of a guy on the classic Rover forum. Yeah, the Rover forum it's called. As you can see, one manual set of Rover pedals. Although they are out of a 2000 or a 2200, so ideally I could do with a set out of a 3.5S, because how can I explain it? Yeah, on this one, both of the master cylinders come out this way, whereas I believe the 3.5S it sort of comes out the side and then it comes up. Yeah, I know what I mean anyway. So if anybody does have one out of a 3.5 litre S, send me a comment in the box down below, and I'd be interested in that, because it might be the better way to go with it, but we will see. But at least I've got these, so I can do something if I can't manage to get a set, even if I have to modify them. But yeah, cool, right. Let's find something to do. Right, hopefully you can see what I'm about to do. Just try and move it out a little bit. get this piece up in here. Get a couple of tacks on it first. And then we go from there. Right, so I didn't film the last bit. Then as it's down inside the box section and it's too difficult to try and get a camera angle to get in there while I was doing it, but as you can see I was seam welded all around that as well. And as you've probably already seen, that last piece is now in there. Once again, it's not the prettiest, but it's been seam welded all round, as well as some plug welds in it as well. So in theory it should be plenty strong enough. Right, so I should give that a bit of a grind up in a minute. Right, so I should give that a bit of a grind up in a minute, and then I need to start cutting out these pieces, all of them, cutting out all the jacking points and that pillar, the bottom of the pillar, which I did buy one for this side. Not that there's really much to it, but I bought it so I use it. So yeah, I'll cut that out, and then I can start working out how much of the outer sill I need to use. But yeah, first I'm going to give it a bit of a clean up underneath and get some sort of coating over it. Right, so I've finished grinding up that bit up underneath. Not sure what you can see. A lot. Anyway, it's a bit tidier under there anyway. So I've been cutting out the rear pillar now and the centre pillar. It's actually surprisingly good under there. I thought this side was a lot worse, but it's just sort of the outer bit that is. But the panel that I've bought kind of comes up quite far anyway. What way up is it? Sorry about that. Yeah, as you can see, the panel comes up quite far anyway, so once I've took these two bits out here, we'll cut that right in. But the part, sort of the angles that it sits in, or sits on, are actually in really good nick. So all I've done is sort of nip the ends of them off, and then I should seam seal it all up when I've finished anyway. Or I might even just leave the bottoms open so that if any water does get in there, it can come out. But then it hasn't before, when it's quite good in there. So yeah, but basically I'm just going to only put the outer sill on sort of to that level, and then come up. And then the back quarter is quite ropey, so probably come in and then go down at an angle to here, and then yeah, but I should put it right up to the, use the whole panel up to here, right at the very back. But it's actually not as bad as I thought, although it is still bad. Right, anyway, I'll cut some more, and it looks like my battery's getting low, so I'm going to have to change my battery. Right, so I've not been too good with filming today, but I've got it all cut out now, and as you can see, it's all basically what I've done the other side. So I've cut all of these pieces out, and like before, I'm not putting the holes in. I'm not putting the whole outer sill in, but I have already cut it, as you can see, ready to go in. But time's getting on now, and I don't really want to start welding it now, so I'm going to leave that until next week, I think. But yeah, at least it's all prepped up, ready to go now. So when I get over here next week, I'll get it sucked back up in there clamped in, just get it welded up. But yeah, sorry for not filming so much today, but I don't know, I've just been cracking on and getting on with it, and well, just didn't think to do it. So I do apologise, but anyway, like I said, it's only the same as what I've done the other side anyway, but I will make sure once I start doing some mechanical stuff and that I do film a lot more, but at the moment it's not. So right, anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time. Right, cheers then, bye.